Good morning, my dear children. Before starting our today's class, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in our last class. In the last class, we learned about an interesting concept of numbers, odd and even numbers. So first, let us start with even numbers. The numbers that can be put into exact group of 2's are called even numbers. So, apart from pairing, there is another way to tell whether a number is even or not. The numbers that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. For example, 52, 6, 94, 80, 48, etc. are even numbers. Here, all the numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and therefore they are even numbers. Now, let us revise odd numbers. The numbers that do not make exact pairs are called odd numbers. So, apart from pairing, there is another way to tell whether a number is odd or not. So, the numbers that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. For example, 51, 9, 93, 87, 45, etc. are odd numbers. So here all the numbers are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 and therefore they are odd numbers. Now come, let's do chapter test of page number 106 and practice odd and even numbers. So children, take out your books and open page number 106. 106. I hope all of you have opened the book. So now let's start with question number 1. Color odd numbered balloons red and even numbered balloons yellow. So children, here we have to color all odd numbered balloons red and even numbered balloons yellow. Now I hope you all are ready with your colors and I will be telling by pointing colored arrows and children you will color the balloons. Okay? I hope all of you have understood. So let's start with the first number 101. So here the balloon has 101 written on it. So 101 ends with the number 1. So children, we know that the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are odd numbers. So here 101 is an odd number. So we will color it red. Now let's look at the next number 24. So here 24 ends with the number 4. We know that the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are even numbers. So children, 24 is an even number. So we will color this balloon in yellow. Now the next number is 26. So 26 ends with the number 6. Therefore, it is an even number. So we will color it with the yellow color. So we will color this balloon in yellow. Now the next number is 13. So here 13 ends with the number 3. Therefore, it is an odd number. So we will color it red. The next number is 430. 430 ends with the number 0. Therefore 430 is an even number, so we will color it yellow. The next number is 711. So 711 ends with the number 1. Therefore the number is an odd number, so we will color it red. Now the next number is 20. Here the number ends with 0. Therefore 20 is a even number, so we will color it yellow. Very good, children. So now let's look at the next number, 23. So here 23 ends with the number 3. Therefore it is a odd number, so we will color it red. Now the next number on the balloon is 84. So 84 ends with the number 4. Therefore 84 is an even number, so we will color this balloon in yellow. Now let us look at the next number, 96. So here 96 ends with the number 6. Therefore it is also an even number, so we will color it yellow. The next number on the balloon is 64. So 64 is also an even number because it ends with 4. Therefore we will color 64 in yellow. Now the next and the last number over here on the balloon is 98. So here 98 ends with the number 8. Therefore it is an even number, so we will color this balloon also in yellow. So I hope you all enjoyed coloring the balloons. Now let's do question number 2. Write the odd number just before each of the following numbers. So children, here we have to write the odd numbers just before the given numbers. So here we will use backward counting for this. So let us look at the first number, 125. So which is the number before 125? Yes, 124. So is 124 an odd number? No, 124 is an even number because it ends with the number 4. So now which number comes before 124? Yes, 123. So is 123 an odd number? Very good. 123 is an odd number because 123 ends with the number 3. So the odd number just before 125 is 123. So we will write 123 over here. Now let us look at the next number, 77. So which number comes before 77? Yes, 76. So children, is 76 an odd number? No, 76 ends with the number 6. Therefore it is an even number. So which number comes before 76? Yes, 75. So here the number 75 ends with the number 5. Therefore it is an odd number. So 75 is the odd number that comes just before 77. So here we will write 75. Now let us look at the next number, 183. So which number comes before 183? Yes, 182. So 182 ends with the number 2. Therefore it is odd or even? Yes, it is an even number. So now, which number comes before 182? Very good, 181. So is 181 an odd number? Yes, 181 is an odd number because it ends with the number 1. So 181 is the odd number just before 183. So we will write 181 here. Now the next number is 531. So children, which number comes before 531? Yes, 530. So is 530 an odd number? No, 530 is an even number because it ends with the number 0. So children, now which number comes before 530? Yes, 529. So is 529 an odd number? Very good, 529 is an odd number because it ends with the number 9. So children, 529 is the odd number just before 531. So we will write 529 over here. Now let's do question number 3. Write the even number just after each of the following numbers. So children, here we have to write the even number just after each of the following given numbers. So we will use forward counting here. Let's look at the first number, 92. So children, which number comes after 92? Yes, 93. So is 93 an even number? No, 93 ends with the number 3. Therefore, it is an odd number. So, which number comes after 93? Yes, 94. Is 94 an even number? Yes, 94 is an even number because it ends with the number 4. Therefore, 94 is the even number just after 92. So we will write 94 here. Okay. Now the next number is number 76. So children, which number comes after 76? Yes, 77. So is 77 an even number? No, 77 ends with the number 7. Therefore, it is an odd number. So now which number comes after 77? Yes, 78. So 78 is an even number because it ends with the number 8. So children, 78 is the even number just after 76. Therefore, we will write 78 over here. Now, let us do the next number, 123. So, children, which number comes after 123? Yes, 124. So, children, is 124 an even number? Yes, 124 is an even number because it ends with the number 4. So 124 is the even number just after 123. So we will write here 124. Okay. Now let's do the next number, 313. So children, which number comes after 313? Yes, 314. So children, is 314 an even number? Very good. Yes, it is an even number because 314 ends with the number 4. So 314 is the even number just after 313. So we will write 314 over here. So children, I hope you all have completed till question number 3. So now let's do question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Let's do the A part. 371 is an dash, even or odd number. So children, here we have to write whether 371 is an even number or an odd number. Now 371 ends with the number 1. So children, it is even or odd? Yes, it is an odd number because it ends with the number 1. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Therefore 371 is an odd number. So we will write odd over here. Now let us do the B part. The even number just after 138 is dash. So children, which number comes after 138? Yes, 139. So is 139 an even number? No, 139 is an odd number because it ends with the number 9. So now which number comes after 139? Very good, 140. So is 140 an even number? Yes, 140 is an even number because it ends with the number 0. So children, the even number just after 138 is 140. So we will write 140 in the blank space. Okay. Now let's do the C part. The odd number just after 87 is dash. So children, which is the odd number just after 87? Yes, we will do the forward counting. So which number comes after 87? Yes, 88. So is 88 an odd number? No, 88 is an even number because it ends with the number 8. So now which number comes after 88? Yes, very good, 89. So children, is 89 an odd number? Very good, 89 is an odd number because it ends with the number 9. So children, here we will write 89 in the blank space. Now children, let's do the D part. The number before and after an odd number is a dash number. Now children, to understand this, let's take any odd number. Let's say 5. So the number just before 5 is 4, which is an even number, and the number just after 5 is 6, which is also an even number. So now we can see that the numbers just before and after an odd number 5 is an even number. Therefore children, the number before and after an odd number is an even number. So we will write here even. Okay. Now let's do the E part. Odd number plus odd number is equals to dash number. So children, now to understand this, let's take any two odd numbers. Let's say 5 and 9. So children, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, which is an even number. That means when we add two odd numbers, we get the answer as an even number. So children, here odd number plus odd number is equals to even number. So we will write here even. Now children, we will not do question number 5. So cross out the question number 5 over here. Now let's do question number 6. Write all the odd numbers between A part 42 and 56. So children, here we have to write all the odd numbers between 42 and 56. So let's start by doing forward counting and write all the numbers here. So which number comes after 42? Yes, 43. Is 43 an odd number? Yes, very good. So we will write 43 over here because it ends with the number 3, which is an odd number. So children, now which number comes after 43? 44. It is an even number, so we will not write it here. Now, which is the next number after 44? Yes, 45. So is 45 an odd number? Very good. So we will write 45 over here. Now which number comes after 45? 46. It is an even number. So we will not write it here. Now which number comes after 46? 47. And 47 is an odd number. So we will write it here. And after 47 it is 48. It is an even number. So we will not write it here. Now which number comes after 48? 49. So is 49 an odd number? Yes. So we will write 49 over here. Now which number comes after 49? 50. So is 50 an odd number? No, 50 is an even number. So which number comes after 50? 51. So is 51 an odd number? Yes, very good. So we will write here 51. So now which number comes after 51? 52. 52 is an even number, so we will not write it here. And after 52, 53. So is 53 an odd number? Yes, so we will write it here. Now after 53 comes 54, which is an even number, so we will not write it here. Now after 54, the number is 55. So 55 is an odd number, so we can write 55 over here. Now after 55, the next number is 56, which is given here in the question. So we need to stop over here at number 56. So the all odd numbers between 42 and 56 are 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53 and 55. Did you understand, children? Okay, now let's do the B part also. 325 and 358. So children, here we have to write all the odd numbers between 325 and 358. So let's start. So which number comes after 325? Yes, 326, which is an even number, so we can't write it here. So the next number after 326 is 327, which is an odd number. So we will write 327 over here and we will start writing all the odd numbers after this. So the next number after 327 is 328. It is also an even number. So we can't write it here. The next number after 328 is 329, which is an odd number. So we can write it here. Now after 329, the next number is 330. It is an even number. So the next number after 330 is 331. So it is an odd number. Therefore we can write it here. We will write 331 over here. Now which number comes after 331? 332. It is an even number. So we can't write it here. So after 332 it is 333. It is an odd number. So we can write it here. After 333 we have 334, which is even number. And after 334 we can write 335, which is an odd number. So we will write it here. So after 335, 336 is even, 337 is odd. So we can write 337 over here. 338 is even and 339 is odd. So children, like this we will go on writing all the odd numbers till 358. So now after 339 the next odd number will be 341. So after 341 it is 342, which is even. So next number is 343. So it is an odd number, we can write it here. After 343 the next number is 345, which is also odd. The next odd number will be 347, and after that it will be 349, then 351, 353, 355 and 357. Okay class, so you have to do it like this and complete till 358. So now children, you have to write all the even numbers between 40 and 93. So we will start from 41, which is an odd number. We can't write it here. We have to write all the even numbers. So the next number here will be 42, which is an even number. So after 42, 43. 43 is an odd number. We can't write it. And after 43, it is 44. 44 is an even number. After 44, 45 is odd. 46 is even. So we will write 46 over here. 47 is odd, 48 is even, we can write 48 here. 49 is odd, 50 is even, we will write 50 over here. And we will write the numbers till we reach the number 93. So here we have reached the number 92 as even number. So after 92 it is 93. So 92 will be the last even number between 40 and 93. Okay children, please complete this. Now let us do some mental maths on page number 106. The smallest even number is dash. The first question is, the smallest even number is dash. So children, which is the smallest even number? Yes, it is 2. So 2 is the smallest even number because we start the counting from 1. 1 is odd number and then the next number is 2. So the smallest even number is 2. So we will write 2 over here. Now the next question is, the smallest odd number is dash. So children, which is the smallest odd number? Very good. 1 is the smallest odd number. So children, we will write the smallest odd number is 1. Okay. Now look at question number 3. 7 is an even number. True or false? Here we have to say whether the statement is right or wrong. If the statement is right, then we will write it as true. And if the statement is wrong, we will write false over here. Okay children. So is 7 an even number? No. 7 is an odd number. Therefore the statement is wrong. So we will write false over here. Okay. Now let's do the fourth question. Write the next 4 even numbers in the following: 6, 8, 10, 12. So children, here we have to write the next 4 even numbers after 12. So which number comes after 12? Yes, 13. So 13 is an odd number. So which number comes after 13? 14. So is 14 an even number? Yes. So we can write 14 over here. Now after 14, the next number is 15. It is an odd number, so we can't write it here. And after 15, the next number is 16. So yes, 16 is an even number. We will write 16 over here. Now the next number after 16 is 17. 17 is an odd number, so we can't write it here. After 17, the next number is 18. 18 is an even number. Very good. We will write 18 over here. Now the next number after 18 is 19. It is an odd number, so we can't write 19 over here. And after 19, the next number is 20. So is 20 an even number? Very good. Yes, 20 is an even number, so we will write 20 over here. So children, we have completed the mental maths over here. So that's all for today's maths class. Thank you so much class.